Whoa, what's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Billy Dan, and this is just a quick update on gold and Bitcoin and the crypto markets. We've had some crazy things happen in the crypto markets within the last hours. We're going to get right into that after we quickly get an update on gold. Now, looking at gold, yesterday we was talking about how gold was pushing to the downside, and we expected to see gold push back to the upside to possibly retest these highs at around 2,400 and $50. But I did say if we did see gold start finding some resistance within these areas here, then it's more than likely we'll come back down to retest the previous low, and we can see price found resistance at 2,435, and then after that price pushed to the downside, retesting the previous lows. Now we can see today there wasn't much movement. Price just moved back up to the resistance area that it previously made last night after we made the video. So what do we expect to see tomorrow going into Wednesday? Now, I'm not really a fan of trading in this area. I would prefer to be trading below 2,408 area, and if we do get below there, then I'll be looking for some sales down to around the $2,380 area. But if we do see price push back down to this support level and then find support yet again, then I will be anticipating possible buys back up to retest these highs here at around $2,430. Now, if we see gold push to the upside and retest this high before pushing to the downside, then I'll be interested to see what happens when price starts breaking above $2,436, as this could be an area where price gets rejected and we could look for some sales. Or if we see price get above this area and show some strength, then we can possibly look to head to target these highs around $2,450 and see if gold is going to continue on making higher highs. So let's look for some opportunities tomorrow, but take time trading within this area. Now, looking at the crypto markets, we can see that the market cap is now $2.7 trillion. It is up 5.4% today. Now, if you haven't heard already, Ethereum has been pumping like crazy in the last 24 hours, over 20 something percent, now sitting at $3,730. We can see Bitcoin's just been chilling off today, but has done a nice 1.6%. BNB, that's Binance Coin, that has done a 6.2%. We have seen Solana hasn't done much today, but you can see over the last 7 days it's still up 23%. And as we scroll down the crypto market, it's looking much better than other days. We can see Uniswap has done 19.7% today. That's very promising. And as we pointed out yesterday, good old Pepe, another 32.2% within the last 24 hours, and is up 120% in the last 30 days. Now, for those that don't know, Pepe is a meme coin, being a coin that has no utility really, but still they get a lot of money flowing into these coins as people speculate, trying to make huge gains. And as we can see today, there's been $2 billion that has been flowing in and out, nearly 3 billion actually, flowing in and out of Pepe just today. Now back to the more serious subject, that's Ethereum, because Ethereum has caused the rest of these coins to pump. Now, what has happened, we've seen Bitcoin has had this ETF approved previously, and now there is talks in the pipeline that Ethereum's ETF will be approved very soon too. Now, what that means is Ethereum will be tradable within the US stock market, and this is why we're seeing these huge price movements at the moment. So it looks like the bull run is hyping up, and there's plenty of opportunities as there is thousands of coins. I'll be deep diving into the crypto markets, giving out some top picks, because the altcoin market is where we see the real gains happen. And once the bull run is in full force, then you're going to see projects going to the moon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of them up and coming videos, looking for these altcoin gems and looking for crypto trading setups. Now, none of this would be possible without the big dog BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, now this is Bitcoin against the US dollar. And yesterday when we was looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was sitting around $66,000. And what I was saying is I would like to see what happens when Bitcoin comes to around $72,000. This was just yesterday, probably around 24 hours ago. And we can see from $66,000 price went directly to $72,000 and rejected exactly at $72,000 and has pushed to the downside back to $69,000, $70,000. The reason I was talking about being interested in this $72,000 level is because if we could hold above this level, then I could expect price to continue and break the previous all-time highs, and then we go to the moon. At the same time, I was looking for a possible rejection, and that's what we're seeing now. Now I've seen Bitcoin push to the upside and test this $72,000 level, and now I'm seeing the rejection from the $72,000 level. I expect Bitcoin either to push back and retest the $72,000 level, or continue to the downside and see if it can hold the $66,000 level. Now, if we push to the downside and we hold the $66,000 level, then I expect a retest of $72,000 anyway, but it'll just be a much longer process. Now, whether it be a short process or be a longer process, whenever I see Bitcoin come back to the $72,000 level, I want to see how it reacts. If we can get above it and hold above it, then we're going to be looking to see if price can break above the $74,000 level to see if Bitcoin is going to start making its way to $80,000 and even beyond that to $90,000. There's still time. The engines is just warming up, getting ready for takeoff. Now we've got plenty coming to this channel, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. This is Billy Dan. Until the next video, I'm out.